Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery.
Yeah, so my name is Priya. I'm 25 years old, and I had a very major accident in the year 2008, so which caused a big scar on my left leg. And post that, until 2023, the scar was still there, and then I started noticing some kind of infection. So that is when I decided to go for a plastic surgery. I consulted with Sakra International World Hospital, and I had a plastic surgery, which is like a tissue expansion surgery. And after that, I still had certain, stitch marks and everywhere. Like, there were certain marks that were there, but my doctor, who had a, by my had my surgery, they suggested me a tattoo artist, and that is how I got to know about Prateek. So I would highly recommend Astron Tattoo Studio by Prateek, because the way he explains his work is commendable, and I loved it. I personally loved it, and I'm sure people who are planning to get a cover up on their scar and everything, you can definitely consider Astron Tattoo Studio. And the way, I'm very sure the experience would be very great, because his explanation and the way he'll give the designs and everything would be very natural. That would make your scar look very great. And yeah, you need to have patience. The process, you need to trust the process, and you need to follow the steps. That is most important, because I had a very struggling journey. So I know that without having patience, nothing is, you won't get it, because I have had patience in 2008 to 23. I have carried that scar entire my half of my life, and post that only I came to this particular stage. Right now I can flaunt my scar, and it is great now. So I visited Astron Tattoo Studio, and I had a very great experience, to be honest. I did not have, he made it very easy for me. Like, even though when he looked at my scar, he wasn't like saying it's like a very big scar, okay? And he made sure to give me his own designs, which would make it look very natural. And for me, the main purpose to get this tattoo was, I am someone who loves exploring with my clothes. So I want to wear like dresses and everything, which I couldn't do until 2023. So that is the main purpose, and I cannot express how it is making me feel right now. He has got a wonderful design in my leg, and it was like a 3 session. The first session happened in the month of May, and where he got the first part of my scar covered, the stitch part, and then he asked me to come after 1 month. And the second month, he completed the entire work, and everything was just covered and done, and he gave me a healing process of 1.5 months after that. So after that, I come today, and I got my touch-up done, which he has done it, like complete touch-up is completed, and I guess now I'll be able to wear, the kind of clothes that I always wanted to wear. Satisfaction, I'm very happy. You can see it on my face, like I am very happy. This was one of the things that I was always insecure about in my entire 24 years of my life. So I was very insecure about this thing, but right now I would say I'm very satisfied. It is not even looking like, I had a surgery there. It's looking that natural. And I'm very satisfied, and I would say people who are having any scar in their body, they can anytime go ahead with this option. And it has definitely added up a lot to my confidence. As I said, I can wear the clothes that I want to wear from right now on. He drew a design for me just right in front of me, which would actually capture the picture of my leg. And he drew a design to show me, even before proceeding, that was something that gave me much more clarity. Because it was not like directly he drew the tattoo on my leg. He showed me the picturization and showed how it would look like, and that is when I got to a conclusion with the design part. So it was not even like I went to the Google Photos. It was he who drew it just right in front of me. And yeah, that is how the process went. And coming to the pain, I would say that I did not have any pain. Just the day of first day, I had a mild pain. That was after the tattoo was done. But he explained me the process, the taking aftercare process very precisely. He told me what are the things to be followed and not. So yes, after getting the tattoo, I can just proudly say right from tomorrow, yeah, I'll start changing my wardrobe, clothes and everything. I'll start wearing the one which I couldn't wear so long. And definitely my confidence has built up to a very great extent. And I loved, again, I would repeat, I loved how Pradeep took ahead this particular challenge. It was a great scar, okay? And the way he covered it up, and I would say that thanks and big thanks to him, okay? And yeah, I am loving the work.